Does this mean that states such as Montana and Utah that already meet that gating period, will they be able to go to phase one as early as, say, tomorrow if the governor decides?
You're talking about those states that are in great shape already?
Yes.
They will be able to go literally tomorrow, yes, because they've met all of the guidelines. If you go back, you're going back 14 days, you're going back even a month, and they have the ones that I'm thinking about, the ones that I've already spoken to governors about, they've met those guidelines actually pretty long ago.
So you said you didn't want to name the states that might be ready to go. Can you give us some, or maybe the experts, Dr. Birx and Dr. Fauci, give us some sense of how many? Yesterday, you said 29 states were in good shape. Do you think as many as 29?
Yeah, Peter, I think 29 states are in that ball game, not for opening, but I think they'll be able to open relatively soon. I think the remainder are just getting better. Look, New York, New Jersey are having very tough times. And they'll be there. They'll be there at some point, but they're not going to be one of the earlier states. They're going to be later, obviously. I just spoke with the governor of New Jersey. We just spoke with Mike and a couple of folks. We had a great talk with him. Phil is a terrific guy. He's working very hard. Democrat, but we get along. He's working very, very hard. I guess the fact that he's right next to this big, massive city where everybody's very closely, they're together. And New Jersey's been hit unbelievably hard as hard as anybody in the true sense. But they're doing a great job in New Jersey. But that doesn't mean, Peter, that doesn't mean that they're going to be opening next week. That's not one that's going to be. But we have a lot of states that, through location, through luck, and also through a lot of talent, we have states through a lot of talent are in a very good position, and they're getting ready to open. And over the next very short period of time, it's going to be up to the governors. We're going to work with them. We're going to help them. But it's going to be up to the governors. I think you're going to see quite a few states starting to open. And I call it a beautiful puzzle. You have 50 pieces, all very different. But when it's all done, it's a mosaic. When it's all done, it's going to be, I think, a very beautiful picture. And very important is what Dr. Fauci said. It could be that sometime in the fall, there'll be some flare-ups. We're going to be in a great position with everything we've done and everything we've learned. This was something that nobody ever saw before.